Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and I've been getting so many questions about the Cape Square Entertainment Center. Things like, hey, when is it going to open? What does it look like? So on and so forth. So I figured I would come over here, get a little behind the scenes tour for you, and give you like the latest information that I know. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them I can make fun videos like this on a random Tuesday. If you too want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Also, as a reminder, we have our Christmas ornaments in stock, so if you want to purchase some of them and get them in time for Christmas, make sure you go ahead and purchase them now. Anyway, let's get started. For those who don't know this project, this building and the whole property heading that way was purchased by the same people that run the movie theater in Stone Harbor, the Harbor Square Theater. They bought this to make this a multiplex. It's more than just a movie theater now, because this used to be Frank's Theater, Frank's Rio Theater. Now they've expanded and added so much to it, including IMAX, which you can actually see this massive building right over here. They extended that, and then going this way, they added so much to this building, including restaurants, a bar, bowling alley, virtual golf, and so much more. Construction on this project has been, I would say, delayed a lot, mostly because of the pandemic. You see, during the pandemic, we went through a thing where, yes, a lot of people couldn't work because they couldn't be in close contact with each other. But then something else happened. There was a supply shortage. And because of that supply shortage, it meant that the prices of everything, brick, glass, you name it, went up in price like crazy. And so this project behind me kind of slowed down. During that down period, progress was still going on. It was just taking a while. They added in this entire front, they put signage on here, they did the exterior, but it was taking several months just to do that. And of course, you guys have been asking me over and over again, is it still happening? Is it still happening? I can tell you right now, it is still happening. And progress has sped up since we actually last reported on this story, I want to say, 4 or 5 months ago. The good news is we're being told that, yes, it will 100% open next year. We're looking at like a late spring. That's where we are at this moment, which is obviously great news because a lot of good movies are coming out next year. I do plan on giving you guys a ton of behind-the-scenes stuff in the future, but for the time being, let me go ahead and just give you like a peek into the glass because I have to be honest with you, I am so excited for this project, and there have been so much progress on this that I'm really excited to share it with you. But let's go ahead and give you a tour. This would be the lobby for the movie theater, and you can see walls are finally up. It looks really, really great. You can see TVs are going to be hung on the left-hand side. Oh, they hung some chandeliers. You can see one above us. That's kind of hard because the windows are a little dirty. But there's a chandelier up here and one on the left-hand side. We'll move down just a little bit. You can kind of see a little bit more of that chandelier. One over here, another one over there. I know it's kind of hard. I apologize. I'm trying my best. That looks like the main counter. You can see where some TV screens are going to be at. Let's walk down here just a little bit. You can see, if you look down here, that's the hallway, which I believe will take you to the theaters, which used to be the original entrance into the theaters. This over here actually looks like a bar. More than likely be the concession stand, right? And we're gonna walk down a little bit. Remember, they got a bowling alley down here and a restaurant, and I believe, if I remember, out that section will also be a restaurant. So this is where you're gonna be buying your tickets, either for going to the movies, the IMAX, the golf simulation, or maybe checking in for bowling. You see they hung the chandelier up here as well. This is actually coming together really nicely. You could take a look through these doors and also see that is the main reception desk. It almost looks like there's chairs in there already. I'm gonna walk into this little alleyway, which is a shame. There used to be an ice cream parlor in here and a couple other things. Actually, while we're here, let's actually look inside. You can see they removed the counter spaces, but you can see where the ice cream stuff used to be. And they put up a cover over here, but this is where the bowling is. Let's see if we can look through this door. You can't really see much. There's a there's a main thing here, but they have the lights up. More chandeliers. Wow. A lot's gotten done in here. This was supposed to be an outdoor eating area or seating area for food, but I don't know if that's happening. The original blueprints actually showed this as like some kind of space that opens up. But for right now, nothing really going on over here. But here is something I do want to share with you, because at this very second, they're building the bowling alley. And it looks really cool. I mean, look at this. How cool. It looks like they just installed this one. You can see the sidewall is also completed. I really like this. This is gonna be so cool once it's done. And I know this is hard to see, but this is 12 lanes of bowling, it looks like. You can see more parts in the front, and then some kind of alleyway, which probably leads to that golf area, but it looks great. And this is just an angle from the side door. I'm not sure what this is going to be, probably cleaning facilities. The game plan is, hopefully, the next time I come out here, will be to give you a tour of the inside of the whole facility. It's coming together really nicely, and by looking at it, yeah, it does kind of look like by this spring, we will be able to go inside and have some fun. But I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section, are you excited? Because I am, and I want to thank you for joining me. And once again, a special thank you out to my patrons, and if you too want to sign up, click the links below. And as always, I'll see you guys on the beach, which is right that way. See you later. Bye.